Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In our last session we have completed simple permanent tissue. Today we will start the complex permanent tissue. देखिए why the complex word came with permanent tissue? Because these tissues are made up of more than one type of cells and all these cells coordinate to perform a common function. I mean, together they perform a common function which is conduction of water, minerals and food materials. Did you ever think that how the water, minerals and food materials are transported to each and every part of the plant? The transport system is led by a bundle type structure which are the vascular bundles. This is one vascular bundle. These vascular bundles is made up of two tissues. One is xylem, phloem, and in the middle it is cambium. Finding a vascular bundle is a distinct feature in the terrestrial plant which is necessary for their survival. The plants which contain the vascular bundles are known as vascular plants. So, a vascular bundle constitutes of xylem tissue and phloem tissue. These two tissues made the complex permanent tissues. Xylem, today we will study about the xylem, the structure of the xylem. Xylem is made up of four types of elements: xylem vessels, xylem tracheids, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. If I see the function of the xylem, they conduct water and minerals to each and every part of the plant. So these are the conductive tissues. Let's first see the xylem tracheids. These are basic cells which constitute of xylem tissue. This is elongated tube-like structure with pitched ends. And these are pits in the cell wall of the tracheid. The cell wall is lignified and as they mature, they lose their protoplast and nucleus. That is why these are dead cells. You see how the water and mineral conducts from one cell to another cell. These cells lies on one another. See. So their function, if I see the function, these are pits. They conduct water and minerals from root to the each and every part of the plant. And the water and mineral, how the water and mineral conducts through the tracheids from pit to pit. This way, water and mineral reach to each and every part of the plant. I hope you have understood the function of the tracheids. Let's proceed on xylem vessels. Xylem vessels, if I see the structure, these are wider and cylindrical in shape with no tapering at the end. They also have pits in their cell wall, and their cell wall is lignified and thick. These vessels lies on one another. If I see the function, they support the plant and the water and minerals transported through the vessels. How the water and minerals transported from root to the each and every part of the plant. This is xylem vessel. These are also dead cells. Let's proceed on xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma cells are elongated in shape. And the cytoplasm and nucleus is present in each and every cell. That is why they are live cells. If I see the function, their cell wall is also thin. If I see the function, they store food and water for the plant, and they also support to the plant. I hope you have understood the xylem parenchyma. Next, proceed on xylem fibers. Xylem fibers are dead cells and they provide strength to the plant, and they conduct the water and minerals conduct also through the xylem fibers. So now you have understood xylem tracheids, structure and the function, xylem vessels, the structure and the function, xylem parenchyma, structure and the function, and xylem fibers, their function. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.